Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the exotic Easter seed pack in Garden Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to unlock the exotic seed pack, you need to feed this angry plant. Let me show you this menu. Okay, you can feed the plant to get an exotic seed pack. Okay, and you need to feed this angry plant 50 times. And now I need to feed the plant one more time, and you need to feed him with the plant that he asked. And he asked the Easter egg fruit with a chocolate mutation. I'm going to search it in my inventory. I've already harvested this Easter egg fruit. I get this one, and I'm going to talk to him. Oops, wait. As I need to wait, guys, because the other another player has fed this angry plant. Okay, now it's time, and I'm going to click on take this plant. All right, and I also got the candy blossom shard. Okay, I'm going to claim it. We can click claim exotic seed pack right here. Okay, I just got the exotic Easter seed pack. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the exotic Easter seed pack in Garden Roblox in Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!